Welcome to an overview of qTest Scenario, the most powerful JIRA add-on for your test-first approach in Agile testing. After you've installed qTest Scenario, you'll have the option to import your existing feature files as JIRA issue types. Features are created as parent issue types, and scenarios are instantly linked as subtasks. This allows the foundation to track scenario execution status against the features being developed. With qTest Scenario's built-in Gherkin editor, you will always have the support of the syntax structure. The editor will let you know when there's errors in the syntax along with an autocomplete functionality. This allows you to build out features and scenarios directly in JIRA as an alternative to importing your .feature files. To add a new feature in JIRA, simply select the Create button. Once the feature has been added, you can then correspond all of your test scenarios to that feature as a subtask. qTest Scenario supports both manual and automated test executions. This gives the option for users to test their scenarios manually within JIRA before they run their scenario automation. Scenarios can be individually executed, or if the feature has multiple scenarios, they can apply a status for all. All current and previous scenario executions can be viewed and stored within JIRA for traceability reporting, which we'll show later in the video. qTest Scenario is now integrated with the entire qTest platform. After you make your JIRA connection, make sure you turn on the qTest Scenario integration in the project settings. After you map your execution status with the qTest system and add your JIRA projects, your features will then be pulled over and qTest will organize them nicely in the Test Design tab. Each feature converts into a test case over in the Test Design tab, with the feature content being located in the description field, and each scenario can now be reported at the step level for execution. Within your POM XML, you can now specify exactly which qTest release your scenario executions will be stored. You can instantly run your desired scenarios based off JQL or isolate your runs based off JIRA issue keys. Once the tests have been prepared and executed, qTest Scenario will package the results and update qTest and JIRA with the scenario execution statuses. In qTest, visualize your scenario executions within structured test suites. This allows you to quickly drill down into test run execution to see where the scenarios passed and where they failed. You can also view past execution logs from the same test run. Within JIRA, qTest Scenario contains powerful reporting around your scenario execution progress. Select the progress tracker to see single or multiple scenario results for each of your features in development. qTest Scenario also contains a release level view so that you can monitor your overall status of a feature scenario execution result. This helps with go or no-go decisions within your selected release. Scenario traceability reporting is also available to gain insight into things such as what are my linked defects and who ran the last execution result of the scenario. Create a search based off the features and then select the traceability report. For setup instructions and how-to guides, visit support.QASymphony.com to access the qTest Scenario walkthroughs. And don't forget to check the release notes for new and exciting features coming soon.